So there is a special moment. Somehow imagine that this block came into your windscreen and made some scratches. So yeah, at least now we can see some badly scratches. From inside you can see them. Difficult to see from inside. Okay. Accidentally. Shouldn't happen in real life, but just in case. We'll see what possible to do. You'll see the result afterwards. It will be documenting how it was done. While doing some prep works, and while doing prep works, I noticed that some angle there were lots of scratches visible easily, but on the camera very difficult to show this to you. Very lots of scratches of windscreen wipers. I'm gonna start shortly. Getting closer to start abrasive grinding of a windscreen, which looks like quite complicated due to the reach. High level vehicle, BMW X5, difficult to reach. But we definitely will reach it. We're ready. Doing something else. Can you hear the sound? The sound is machines overheated, so they're just cooling down. This is the state condition of a windscreen, pre-polished one. Just abrasive grinding done. And now the polish stage. It's gonna be really interesting now, really interesting. we are done. Windscreen have been polished. Have a look yourself. What do you think about it? It's cleaning, final clean. We'll be doing it shortly. It's so bright, I can see so easy inside everything. I never could see interior. I like it. I can't see any wiper blades scratches. I can't see nothing like that. Of course, things like this, as I showed you last time, you can't do anything with this at this point. With the glass polishing, it's different, but again we can sort this. Tell me what you think. What do you think? Is it a good job? You've done a good job there? Or did you see something? Oh, maybe I noticed something. Let me know, please, in the comments what you can see here. Just in case with fully covered vehicle, to make sure that no abrasive paste will go on the paint, because if it will go, it's going to be big problems for us. We don't want problems. We'll do a good job only.